Absolutely soaked. Iris has arrived. Heading further south down the Californian coast, we set out of Santa Cruz across the bay to Monterey, firstly heading into the anchorage for a night before docking into the marina. With predicted winds of up to 15 knots from a westerly direction blowing into Monterey Bay, we plan to sail on the Beam Reach for most of the day.
Doing the important jobs. So we currently got around 9 knots wind. From like a close haul position, coming around to the beam, averaging about 4 knots. Got all 3 sails up. Cruising on, leaving Santa Cruz there. And can't quite see it through the fog yet, but Monterey is just across the bay there. This space should be there in a few hours, 4 or 5 hours. Beautiful day. Calm, light breeze. Perfect. Also got the wind vane set up here. As we're coming around, as we're coming further out, the wind's been sweeping around. The wind was kind of a close reach angle, and you can see now the angle of our wind vane. Slightly more around to the beam now, so we have to keep adjusting it. See that line here, heading straight across the bay to Monterey there.
Wind's good, sailing well, having curry for lunch, courtesy of Billy. Okay, so we're on a broad reach now, and but the wind has dropped a little bit, so Bill's just unreefed the main. So we've got the full main up now, just to pick up a bit more speed. So we're currently going back to 5 knots over ground. We've got about 7 knots of wind with us, so we're not doing bad.
Just starting to make out the line of the mountains there. Cruising a lot. Line of the mountains, Monterey. So getting closer. Currently averaging about 4.5, 5 knots. But wind's picked up to about 12 knots. Cruising just nicely. Reef in the main. Wind's got up, so 15, 16 knots. We was doing about 6.5 knots, so yeah, just put a reef in the main. Where are we going now? 6? Yeah, that's a good speed. Hold it here for a bit. If it creases more, we'll put another reef, maybe a reef in the mizzen as well. so far. Looking good. That's for where we actually get there to celebrate. Right, I'll get the music now when we get the bait. Down in there.
Yeah. One at a time. Oh, you did bring your shoes. We're in Monterey.
There we are.
Whilst in Monterey, we met up with our friends who we originally met on our first night of our journey up on Vancouver Island. What's her name? Meeting them again with our other buddies on Wasatch for the locals farmer market. On our last visit in the RV, we explored more of the town, and a link to this will be in our description if you wanted to see more. On this trip, we were hesitant at first to visit the aquarium due to the high prices, but we'd heard so much about it we didn't want to miss the chance. We hope you enjoy and relax for the exhibition of these beautiful ocean creatures. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And a special thank you to our YouTube members and Patreons, helping us to keep sailing along.